Hello, Sheila. It's Rodney. It's been a while since we talked, but I just wanted to help you out a little bit if I can. I do a lot of PowerPoint type stuff, but basically, if you want to link each of these, like for example, this can say interview type number one, interview type number two, three, and four. What you'd have to do is you'd have to make these clickable. So you'd have to click on this and go to the link right here. And then you have to click on place in document right here. So you want to click where in the document you want it to go. So let's say number one would be, instead of agenda, that says type one interview or something like that. So you click there and then you'd hit OK. So now when you control click that, it goes to interview type number one. And the same thing for the second one here. You'd click here, you'd go to link, you go to place in document, and you'd go to interview type number two, and you'd hit OK. So now when you click here, you have to hold the control key down and left click. Then this is interview type number two, and so on and so forth. And you would do the same thing for this one and this one, same process. Click on it, link it, place in document, the place you want it to go. OK. Then you would control left click, and it'll take you to the place. I hope that helps. All right, bye.